spiritual or immaterial elements are really conducive to pivoting to a higher level of consciousness. But it all has to do with a sort of perception. Oh my God, I'm freaking killing it, yo. I'm killing it, I'm killing it. So basically they all based on a perception, a certain type of perception. The way we perceive, and I look so freaking handsome today, yo. Check out your boy, man. Oh my God, my apology, I have to have a superficial moment. Nah. Nevertheless, so on a serious note, so you have awareness, you have awakening, you have enlightenment. Then what is realization? What is self-realization? You know, what is higher consciousness?